How to earn money from YouTube. AdSense revenue. You can monetize your YouTube channel by enabling ads through Google AdSense. Advertisers pay Google to display their ads, and Google pays you a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. To be eligible, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Sponsored content. Brands may offer you money to promote their products or services in your videos. You can receive payment in the form of cash, free products, or a combination of both. Selling products or merchandise. If you have a loyal following, you can use your platform to sell products related to your content. This can include physical products like t-shirts, stickers, or digital products like ebooks or courses. Paid memberships or subscriptions. Offer exclusive content to your viewers through paid memberships or subscriptions. This could include behind-the-scenes access, early access to videos, or other perks for subscribers. Crowdfunding. You can use platforms like Patreon to crowdfund your content creation. Patrons can support you by pledging a certain amount of money each month. You can offer rewards such as exclusive content, shoutouts, or merchandise in exchange for their support.